What's up, guys? What's up, guys? It's Adam Della here with another gang pen review. Let's do some damage. Today, we're gonna be looking at some Viscontis. I like to say Visconti with an Italian accent because guess what? I'm Italian and so are Viscontis. Now what I got today is pretty special, okay? Because these Viscontis that I got are custom. Let's just say they fell off the back of a truck, huh? Maron, huh? My Viscontis, huh? These are actually custom Truphae Viscontis. First up, we have, in the limited Truphae Viscontis series, we have the Visconti Mirage. So the Zeus has, you can see purple body, nice purple body, and then you got the black trim, a beautiful pin here. On this one, we got the dark steel nib. Big fan of that, Got the EF on there. Woo! The Viscontis are looking Maron. Beautiful friggin' pin, huh? A beautiful pin. That is the Visconti Mirage Zeus. A custom to Truphae. Next, we're gonna take a look at the Hera. Okay? What are these, gods? I guess so. So we got the Hera. This one's purple with silver trim. As you can see, it is quite beautiful. It's a little lighter purple, so you can see side by side the Zeus and the Hera. Pretty nib. And you got the same grooves for the magnetic cap. Boop. And we're good. It's not coming off of there, huh? Woo! Hey, the cap ain't gonna fall off like these pins fell off that truck. Am I right? Hey, Maron. Next up, we got the Mars. We're going to Mars, baby. This one's a nice deep red with silver trim. A beautiful pin. You're trying to get your crime boss queen, nice looking pin, or your crime boss king. You know, this is a very regal pin. And again, this is custom. It's a custom pin, the Truphae. The steel nib, the light steel nib on that, looking good. And again, those beautiful grooves slipping right on there. Boom, bada bing, bada boom. Last up, we got my personal favorite, the Athena. Now, the Athena is white with black steel trim, a beauty. Again, we got the nice V there. Woo! And we got the beautiful nib, dark steel, a nice high contrast pin here because you got your dark trim and your white body, but you got little accents in there. You know, it's not pure white. It's you know, you got some flavor in there. The Athena has some flavor. So why don't we write with one of these suckers and see how they do on the page? You may be book smart, but are you street smart? That's my question to the Visconti boys. Okay, let's take a write. Those were the Visconti Mirages, custom from Truphae. I hope you enjoyed the video. If my accent offended anybody, I'm sorry. I am, in fact, Italian. Until next time, this has been Adam Della for Truphae. Check out these pins. You're gonna love these pins. And a penman salute to you, suckers!